Welcome in. Today I want to speak honestly about love, clarity, and the unexpected way life teaches us what is possible. Sometimes a person doesn't arrive in our life to be the one. Sometimes they arrive to show us that what we've been longing for actually exists. And that realization can change everything. I've come to see that some connections are not meant to be held onto forever. They are meant to be bridges, a bridge between old stories and new truth, between what we once tolerated and what we now know we deserve, between longing and trust. There are moments in life when a man enters not to complete us, but to reflect something essential back, that good men do exist, that integrity exists, that depth, presence, and grounded masculine energy are real. And perhaps most importantly, that I can feel attraction without abandoning myself. This kind of connection doesn't come to create attachment. It comes to create clarity. It rewires the nervous system. It teaches the body I am safe to stay true to myself. And once the body knows that, you no longer chase love. You recognize it. What I've learned is that true love begins with being true to myself, not with desire, not with fantasy, but with listening to my body. The body always knows before the mind does. Does my breath soften? Do I feel grounded? Do I feel more myself or less? These questions have become my compass. Deep love doesn't grow through intensity. It grows through presence, through consistency, through two people who can stay regulated, honest, and spacious, even when things are unclear. I believe deep love is learned by dancing in the rain, not waiting for the storm to pass, not forcing the sun to come out, but staying grounded while life unfolds, and then leaving the outcome with the gods. Leaving it with life, with trust, with timing, not in a passive way, but in a sovereign way. I will show up honestly. I will listen to my body. I will not rush what wants to reveal itself. Sometimes a man is not the destination. He is the bridge, and the bridge doesn't need to become the future for the future to arrive. What matters is what we now know. And what I know now is this: love does not require me to betray myself. Good men exist, and I am no longer searching. I am listening. Thank you for being here with me today. And maybe this is what I want to leave you with. Sometimes a man doesn't come into our lives to be the one. Sometimes he comes to show us that good men do exist, and that we no longer have to abandon ourselves to be close to them. That knowing alone changes everything. It softens the nervous system. It restores trust. It reminds us that love doesn't have to be dynamic, confusing, or earned through self-betrayal. We are allowed to listen to our bodies. We are allowed to take our time. We are allowed to let life reveal what can truly meet us. And then we do that when we stop chasing and start trusting. Love finds us in ways the mind could never plan.